fucking piece of shit. Is what you want. Go fuck yourself. You're a fucking asshole. Stop what? Stop what? You got my hand?
Just stay back.
How
He's
far?
looking for any antagonizing sort of thing.
How far
I'm
back?
from the Daily News. I was thinking like it's part of it.
I'm from the neighborhood.
Oh,
We're trying to change us.
you're trying to change out what? Leave me the fuck alone. What are you fucking guys, assholes? Just tell me what you gotta do instead of fucking playing games. Look it, you just wanna fucking hurt my ear. Yo, girl. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that makes much better. Oh, that's so much better for me. Oh, you don't want me to get cold? Am I under arrest? And what am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for? Why do I have these cuffs on me? That's my question. Your safety and my safety. Excuse me. I don't want these cuffs on me for my safety. Okay? Either take them off with me or charge me with something. Charge me with something or take these fucking cuffs off of me. Excuse me, sir. Get these cuffs off of me or charge me with something. Then get the cuffs off of me and don't detain me without telling me what my charges are. I do not want to be detained without me. What are my charges? What are my charges? Sit, doggy. Sit, doggy. Watch your head, doggy. Fucking, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me now. You have got to be kidding me. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. What the fuck is going on? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand what you're doing. I don't. An ambulance. Why? Because you guys beat me up? No, not really, you bunch of pussies. Let me the fuck alone. You get these off of me and I'll walk away. Then what are you charging me with? What are you charging me with? You fucking asshole. Why do you tell me to go away when I'm all trying to find everything around in my neighborhood? You didn't tell me nothing. You said we don't know. You said we don't know what's going on. What are you, fucking lying? You're trying to blame fear on this? Are you fucking crazy? Are you crazy? Well then take the cuffs off of me and leave me the fuck alone. Just leave me the fuck alone. I'll walk away. Oh, is that all? Oh, fuck you. Fuck you.